Hi, this is Greg Maxwell with Amicus Settlement Planners. Today I wanted to talk to personal injury attorneys about how to protect your clients that you've worked with in the past that have structured settlement annuities, or prospective clients that may want to set up a structured settlement annuity from the cash now companies, from the factoring companies that oftentimes just incessantly call them or send them mailings or try to get them to sell their future payments for oftentimes pennies on the dollar. So one thing that we found, and in lots of cases we get calls where attorneys say, look, this client really needs a structured annuity. They really need the discipline of monthly payments for the rest of their life or for the next 20 years. But I'm worried about setting up an annuity because I know that they may just go and sell that annuity to some company that advertises late at night with catchy jingles promising them all kinds of money. And that's a real concern. And so one thing that we've done that's very successful is if you've got a client in that situation, they need an annuity, they need the security, they need the monthly income, is you can arrange it so that the structured settlement annuity pays through a trust and then the trust pays the client. So essentially the trust is the owner of the annuity. So even if your client is up late at night, they want to call whichever company it is and sell their payments, that factoring company is then going to have to work through the owner, or through the payee essentially of the annuity, which is the trustee, rather than your client. And the trustee is going to tell them to take a hike. So essentially, that's an easy way to protect clients in that situation. And there are trust companies that we work with that will just do that in a very smooth process for very, very low fees. So it's not like it's a cumbersome, expensive process to do that. So anything we can do to help protect your clients from those cash now companies, we want to help you do. So give us a call if you like the idea of a structured annuity for a client and a case that you're working on, but you're worried about them factoring or selling those payments. Call us. We can talk you through that option or even other options about how to protect them from those companies so that they don't end up just selling that annuity for pennies on the dollar after it's been established.